I'm going to be going over the trade that made me around $2,000 today. So if you're a day trader, stick around and watch this video, and I'm going to show you my mindset on why I took this trade today. Jumping into the trade, we could see on the 4-hour time frame coming into the day, you could see that we came down during London session and we ended up sweeping out this high time frame draw on liquidity below. Also on the 4-hour time frame, we could see we had this 4-hour bearish fair value gap that I wanted to target. Scaling to the 1-hour time frame, right? We'll put this in replay mode real quick. Scaling down to the hourly time frame, we could see we ended up manipulating, taking out this high time frame draw on liquidity down below, inversing this hourly fair value gap with this big bullish move up, and then we also created a 1-hour bullish fair value gap down below. My bias for the day is I wanted to see price manipulate into this hourly bullish fair value gap and then target this 4-hour bearish fair value gap above. So market open, I was scaled to the 5-minute time frame. We can see as we skip forward on market open, price ended up manipulating down and coming into this hourly fair value gap down below. What did I want to wait for? I waited for a 5-minute break of structure to the upside, which we ended up getting on the next candle, and we ended up forming 2 bullish 5-minute fair value gaps. As you can see, we ended up forming 2 bullish 5-minute fair value gaps, and we also formed equilibrium. Equilibrium is from this most recent low to this most recent high. We ended up coming down into equilibrium and the first 5-minute fair value gap. When we did that, I scaled down to the 1-minute time frame because this is my continuation confluence. I originally wait for the second 5-minute fair value gap to get traded into, but since we also created equilibrium and came down into equilibrium, I ended up scaling down to the 1-minute time frame and looking for my continuation confluences. As we could see, we came down into equilibrium. All I wanted to wait for is my continuation confluences, which is a break of structure to the upside or a fair value gap and equilibrium fill. As we could see on the 1-minute time frame, we ended up forming another 1-minute bullish fair value gap after inversing 2 bearish fair value gaps. So I just wanted to wait for one more confirmation to enter this trade. We also formed equilibrium from this low to this most recent high. We could see as we go forward, price came down into that level. I didn't enter off of this candle closure yet. I wanted to wait for a bigger bullish reaction off of that. And as you could see, we ended up getting a bullish reaction candle closure out of this area. I entered off of seeing this candle, how it was printing, putting my stop below this low, and then putting my full take profit above the 50% level of that 4-hour fair value gap. And as you can see, the trade ended up playing out very quickly. So overall, I'll post my profits in the video so you guys can see that I'm on 15 PA accounts with Apex. But if you guys do want to learn the way I trade with all the confluences I'm talking about, go subscribe to my YouTube at Mastro Futures. That'd be much appreciated. And I mainly post my live streams every single day, my whole live trading session on my YouTube, so you guys know that I'm the real deal and I'm not trying to scam anyone out there.